Come on. Oh, you're not going to open it? Oh, there we go. What do you think of that ham? Oh, that's good stuff. Oh, that's good stuff. A little kick, does it? Oh, okay. It's going down a little easier now, isn't it? A star chaser there. Oh, would you like some more?
Save me.
That's just tough stuff, isn't it?
Now feed him another bite.
Oh. Take more? You take more? Ah? Oh. Okay.
I don't like that, Daddy.
Are you done with your pasta, Allie?
Can I
Was it not good tonight?
I liked it. Can I have the rest, Allie? Huh?
There's a little bit of pasta. Do you want it?
But I'm trying to finish
It's just
this.
strong stuff.
And I want to.
Wait a minute. Okay. You're getting it better. Oh, yeah. You're so funny.
Stop torturing me.
Oh. I don't think they put very much in there, are you?
Oh.
Open. Open. Ah. Ah. Good boy.